Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. We're in the shave den. It's time for another shave. Well, it's Sunday evening. You made it through the weekend. Unfortunately, work is tomorrow. But the good news is the latest episode of White Lotus on HBO will be on tonight, and I've been watching that. So tonight I'm going to be doing a shave with a new soap and, it's an Eau de Parfum from the folks of Hendrix Classic and Company. But now they've done a little switch. They've kind of branched out within their company, and they also are now they have a division called LF&S, and that's Luxury Fragrance and Shave. And this is going to be released tomorrow, the 24th, Monday the 24th, or possibly Tuesday. I saw it kind of advertised on the website, but I didn't see it for sale yet. And this is a Year of the Snake, and it comes with an Eau de Parfum, and it comes with the soap. And the soap, it smells luxurious right out of the tub. And let's see what this smells like here. Hang on, let's get a little. There. Oh man, it's like a stronger scent of the soap. And this is based on the the Eau de Parfum for men from Beau Le Parfum from Jean Paul Gaultier. And it's an Oriental Woody fragrance that was released in 2022. And I guess that original scent really, is quite popular. And let's see, it's got the original scent of that. I haven't got the specs on this, but since it's an homage, it's also got pineapple, let's see, iris, ginger, cypress, coconut, woodsy scent, tonka bean, sandalwood. It's really good. Let me just tell you that, it's really good. And I'm sure when this goes on sale, they're going to be having a more detailed list of the scents. All I know is I told them I really like the smell of some of the higher end colognes, and man, they have came through, at least with this one, for sure. And in the past, they've had several good ones too. It's a nice hard soap. A little bit, you can flex it a bit, which means I'll be able to whip up the lather right here in this tub, which is going to be good. And I'm going to be using a red brush and a Edwin Jagger a DE89 with a red handle. And I'm going to be using the Simpson Chubby 2 synthetic for this shave. So I'm going to put it right in the crystal skull, right there. And I need a shave. My face is healed up pretty good from going to the dermatologist. I'm just going to be a little cautious, but you can always nick yourself. I'm going to be using an Astra green blade again today. Let's take out one of the blades, and we'll put it into the Edwin Jagger red handle. There we go. 3-piece Astra. So you guys had a good weekend? I went and saw that horror movie, The Monkey, with my brother last night on Saturday night, and it was pretty good. Had some pretty good, pretty gory scenes. My favorite Stephen King movie still has to be, I still love Christine. Something about that movie. I really I like Christine a lot. One of my favorite Stephen King movies. And this one is based on a short story by Stephen King. It was pretty good. If you haven't seen it, it's pretty good. It's a little gory, by the way. Got a little bit of overhang on this razor, which I like, so I can actually hold the blade and hold the base cap. Or not the base cap, the cap, the razor cap, just like that. We'll put this in here. Snug it down. The razor is ready to rock. All right. So like I said, this is going to be released the 24th or the 25th. It was a little slow for me to get a hold of this because of all the weather you guys have been having back east. And I think Hc&c is Tennessee. It was affected by the snow. Believe me, it was affected by the snow. All right. So there we go. Just so I can show you the packaging. Year of the Snake. I really like the kind of the metallic look of the the label on there. Looks really good. And like I said, it smells really good. Okay, let's get the shave started. As you can see, I need a bit of a shave, so let's see what we can do. Wet the face. I had one guy send me an email saying, hey, I noticed you only do 2 passes. Why don't you do 3? My hair kind of on my face grows down like this, kind of, you know, vertically. And then the neck kind of goes at a 45-degree angle. So when I do the first pass this way, the second pass, instead of coming up at a 45-degree angle, I just come up straight like this, and I come across the grain. It really works good for me, but somebody had asked, why do you do that? And you probably hadn't seen me explain that in some of my other videos, but, you know, a lot of new people coming to the channel, and I appreciate you tuning in. And you shouldn't have to watch my old videos to know what's going on. Oh man, I'm splashing this soap everywhere. But it is worth it. It sure does smell good. I've got another soap from them that's going to be released in March, from Hc&c, and I have to try that in an upcoming shave. Oh, there we go. Very, very, very slick. If you've used Hendrix Classics and Company before, you know what I'm talking about. And they're actually talking about a collaboration with me to maybe come out with a Kensurfs soap. And they were asking me what my thoughts were. And I said, I live at the beach. It'd be nice to be beach themed or James Bond themed. And we've got a few ideas, and I'm running it past them. And, you know, it's just like my collaboration with DSCosmetics. I mean, they sell them, but they use the name, and, you know, they ask my opinion, my advice, and I appreciate that. So there may be a soap coming out. I'm hoping. Cross your fingers. All right, here we go. Nice. Oh, and I got a hold of the winners of the Kensurfs 2025 giveaway. Both of them happen to be in the United States, different states. I think one's North Carolina, and forget the other one. I've got to get them packed up and ready. But I'm glad I was able to get a hold of them with no consequence. One time, many years ago, I had a contest, and the winner never did contact me, even to this day, so. But I thank all of you for entering. Here we go. Yes, I've been watching The White Lotus. I saw seasons 1 and 2, pretty good. This one, I'm kind of still trying to figure out. Hopefully episode 2 kind of explains a little more. A couple of returning cast members, spoiler alert. And Arnold Schwarzenegger's kid's in it. So, all right, Arnie. Your son's an actor. Very nice. So you see, everybody who asks, you don't always have to do 3 passes, you know. To get a good shave, you don't always have to do that. If you get away with 1 pass, you really don't need to do 2. But if I only did 1 pass, this would be a 4-minute video, and I wouldn't get a chance to talk to you. I'm talking to you all, but I'm staring at myself in the iPhone 16 Pro screen there. Very good. All right. So yeah, why don't I go against the grain? I'm going to cross the grain because, like I said, my beard isn't that thick, and I can I can really get a really good shave just with 2 passes. I like this red handled razor. I've got the red, white, and blue razor handles from Edwin Jagger. And the blue one is a 316 and the other 2 are DE89s. Oh man, I took most of the whiskers off in that first pass. Kind of hear a little bit of feedback. No nicks. A lot of soap. No nicks. All right. Let's get this soap off my face here. The soap smells fantastic. But I don't have aftershave. I have Eau de Parfum, which is a strong concentrate that's supposed to last a long time. So what I'm going to do is I still want to get rid of any irritation and dry skin or razor burn. So I am going to use some Nivea. I think this is unscented. It's pretty much unscented. Yeah, I can't smell anything. Just to kind of fill the place of an aftershave balm. There we go. Very good. But I'm going to top it off with this. And again, I think, there we go. Oh man, smells good. Oh, it burns too. Very nice. Do one more. That's going to last me all day. Year of the Snake. And I'm going to be honest. I never heard of Beau Le Parfum, and I hadn't heard of Jean Paul Gaultier before. But again, I'm not aware of all of the high-end fragrances that are out there. I'm becoming knowledgeable. I'm trying out stuff, and people are actually doing homages to them. So slowly, I'm kind of getting there. But this does smell good. This smells real good. This you could definitely be going out on date night with this. Smells good. All right, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to doing another shave video with you real soon. Now I'm good for a few days here before the beard grows back. And thank you again for your subscriptions. We'll see you real soon, and stay safe.